Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Logical Solutions. In this we will learn how to design mold-based creations in SolidWorks. There are few steps in mold design process. Analyze the model, scale the plastic part, creating the parting lines, creating shut-off surfaces, creating parting surface and tooling split. Before going into SolidWorks, let's have a look how mold base has been generated. Let us see how can we create this in SolidWorks. Here we are working with camera body for creating mold base. To navigate mold commands, go to Command Manager tab and select Mold Tools tab. First we have to check for draft to avoid mold making defects. To analyze the draft, we have direct option called Draft Analysis. Click Draft Analysis, select the preferred plane, like here we are selecting front plane for this model, and make draft direction to upwards and give 3 degrees draft to check. And then we will see 3 colors, like red indicates negative draft, yellow indicates required draft, green indicates positive draft. So we can identify the yellow regions required a draft in this example. Let us apply a draft on these faces. Click Draft Features in the tab, set 3 degrees as draft angle and select front plane as a neutral plane and check the draft direction needs to be upwards. And select yellow color indicated faces as a draft faces. And now click OK. Now all faces has become green color. That means all the faces has a sufficient draft. To avoid shrinkage allowance, we need to increase part geometry. So for that, by using scale command, we will increase part as 1.05 times from center of a part. To decide the tool split position, we need to identify the parting for the part. So here we have a direct option to check that. Click on Parting Line Analysis and select the draft faces as front plane. And then click Draft Analysis so that software will suggest the parting line for us. If the parting line is correct, click OK. To close the open areas, we are using shut-off surfaces to close with 0 thickness. Create parting surface with parting line to make the tool split separate. Selecting parting surfaces and set 50 mm as distance. Draw the sketch on parting surface. To split the core and cavity, create core and cavity using tooling split and set direction 1 as 40 and direction 2 as 30. and then click OK. Then save the 3 solid bodies as separate parts. Click Auto Assign Names and click OK. Like this, we can create Moldbase in SolidWorks. Hope you like this video. Kindly share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get the latest updates.